Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I bought a few things in the weekly deals sale this week, and there's another day left still, so if you're interested in anything. And the Perfect Partners finishes this week as well. So September, you can buy these bundles, but the dies won't be available after September, so make sure you check that out on the website. And the website's here, fionafernandez.stampinup.net, and just click on the shop now, and that'll shop with me. So if you shop with me and spend over $50, I'll send you a free gift as well. I always send a little gift to you in the first order, no matter how much it is. And the other thing that's happening this week, 1st of October, we've got the Card Making Day, World Card Making Day, and they're basing, so Stampin' Up are doing a free live event on their website, and you can join me in mine if you want to. I'm just going to be sharing the screen in my Zoom, and I've got an event for that. So again, it's on the fionafernandez.stampinup.net, and just go to events. I've got a calendar there with all the things I do, and these are the sets they're going to be using for that. And if you order one of those bundles this week, you'll get a free piece of bling with it. So there's the cottage wreath. Look, I die cut one out the other day, and that's what they look like. So that's a great set for anything really. You can use it for Christmas, anything. Lots of things. See the sets. That's the stamps. There's even a little spider for you for Halloween, I'm guessing. Cottage Rose is from the Abigail Rose Suite, and I used this in a class recently, which is why my dies are all messed up like that. But that's the set. They're really lovely. So Stampin' Up have put out some measurements too. They've got out, and I've got that set in my projects in my Stampin' Up page. And this is the warm welcome dies. So this has got a little cat in it, little shoes. It's really cute. There's even some numbers, so that's a very handy one to have to die cut numbers out. And there's other shapes there. Little heart. So that's what's happening this week, and that's my host code. I use one of those every month, so if you're ordering under $250, it'd be great if you could use that, and it shops with me. And then I also gather the Stampin' rewards from my different orders so that I can give back to my customers. Just get my little scissors out. Like that. I just thought I'd better show you this before the sale ends. Otherwise you might miss out. Don't want that. And Stampin' Up have told us they're not sending the sheets anymore that have the I often open my box and there's a thank you there. They don't send the extra packing slip anymore to save on paper. They email it to you. They email the order. You just need to check it against your order. So I just bought some extra painted Christmas paper because I wanted some. This is just beautiful. I was showing it in my live last week, if you want to see a bit more of that. And I thought it's great for Christmas cards. And we've got lots of air in the bag. So I got some matte black dots. Now these are things, some of these things are on sale for the weekly deals at the moment. Pretty sure the matte dots was in that. And I just bought some extra things as well. So the woven ribbon is because I'm doing a class using the Bows of Holly set for October. And where's my catalogue? Here it is. I'll show you that quickly. Holly bows. Here we go. The Bows of Holly. This is a set I'll be basing my card class on online on the, I think it's the 23rd of October. Yep, a Sunday afternoon. And isn't it beautiful? So I just bought some extra ribbon for that. That paper is gorgeous. I'm yet to design my cards, but that'll happen soon. If you want to join in with that, again, go to my events page. This is the window pane check ribbon, and this was in the sale as well. That's nice ribbon. Don't think I've got any of that yet. I decided to get some extra gold holly leaves. Gold ribbon, This was in the sale. This is the shimmer ribbon, and this is the 1/4 inch one. So there is another gold ribbon that's 1 centimetre wide. So it's a bit more sparkling. I've got more gold leaves. I like gold leaves. And this is so beautiful. Look at this one. Iridescent trim. That's really pretty. So not everything in this box is on sale on the weekly deals. Some of it's just because I liked it. I've got some extra ones. So make sure you check the website out to see what's still available, because if they've sold out, they won't be there anymore. I just got some extra envelopes so that I have them ready for my cards, my Christmas cards that I'm going to be making. And I got some more. I haven't bought this one yet. So this is the Sweet Sorbet shimmer ribbon. I'll just open that. I've got some of the other colours. So this is the in colours this year. One of the in colours. You just squeeze the plastic like that so that it lifts it a bit. And then I trim that bit off. Pop that in the bin. So this is what that Sweet Sorbet looks like. It's very shimmery ribbon. Love it. I've got some of the other colours that I've used on some cards already. Did I get trinket elements? Oh, I got some extras of those for my Bows of Holly class. And I got some heart pearls because they were on sale as well. They're really pretty, look. Didn't have any of them, so it was a great way to grab a few extra things. And make sure you get in there before the end of September. So the deals finish on the 28th, which is tomorrow. So make sure you, if you want anything, you hop in there and grab that. Okay, so that's it. Pop my details back there on the box. You can see them. And if you want to shop with me, if you want me to order for you, I can do that as well. You just need to send me an email or a message and contact me. If you go to my page, all my details are on there. Okay, happy crafting. Ciao.